So good. Hi y'all, it's Selena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to wash your hairbrushes. If you are not doing this regularly, keep in mind that you are reintroducing all of that hair oil, product buildup, and maybe even some dandruff back into your hair when you do not wash your brushes. I am guilty of this. I did not start regularly washing my brushes until maybe the past few years, and it's something that you want to do on a weekly basis. The more the better. If you think about it too, we also have to make sure we change our toothbrush heads every 6 months, making sure you wash your bed sheets on a weekly basis. The more the merrier. It just makes sense to do that with your hairbrush as well when you think about it. First step, make sure you take out all of the hair of your hairbrushes. You can do this with a comb. I have 3 hairbrushes that I will be cleaning today. The purple one, you can see that it's used the most. This is my travel hairbrush. I don't know if you can see some of that hair. You see how you have those little fuzzies? That's what we want to make sure we get rid of as well. It's not just the hair. We'll be washing 3 today. You really just need 1 hairbrush. I got this mini one as a birthday gift a few years back, but it is very helpful for a travel size option. You can really just save money and wash these. This prevents you from buying new hairbrushes constantly. There are 3 ways we can remove the hair. First way that I've seen online, I forget who the creator was. If I see an example, I'll pop it up right here. You take 2 hairbrushes, and this is not helpful if you just have 1. If you have just 1 hairbrush, we'll get to the methods to removing that hair. But you can take 2 hairbrushes, you make them kiss, and you rub it together. So let's see if this works. I don't really have luck doing this, but we'll see. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see all the fuzzies just floating into the abyss. You see how it got the hair out? Yeah. So that friction can pull it out for you. And that's just a nice way to just get it out and using what you have. Speaking of using what you have, you can also use a rat tail comb to pick out the hair like that. Oh, I guess we just got all the hair out. That was a great method, but you see how we have those little fuzzies still? You can also use your comb for that. See how it kind of lifts it to the surface? This method is kind of because your rat tail comb is just gonna be all crazy like. I really just use this comb to get my part. Okay, some are coming out as well. The third option to removing your hair is getting a little tool for this. I got this online. I'll post a link in the description box down below where you can find one of these. I really like this, especially if you just have 1 hairbrush. Let me use my mini one because this has a lot of hair left. If you can see, but you just... So good. Really getting it out. Woohoo! Alright, so after you get all of your hairbrushes de-haired, you also want to have either a sink or a big bowl where you can have your hairbrushes soak. There are different ways to wash your hairbrushes. I like to use clarifying shampoo. You can also use Dawn dish soap, which really strips the oils. We really want to strip the oils out of the hairbrush, all of the product buildup that's in it, and also get some of those fuzzies out. And then you'll also need a clean towel. I like to use a big bowl just because sinks are great, especially if you want to fill them up. But keep in mind, if you only have 1 bathroom and you want to use the sink, your hairbrush will be in there for 30 minutes to an hour. A bowl is guaranteed to be cleaner, because if I was doing this in my sink, I'd want to wash my sink just before I do this, and then I don't want the buildup of bleach or cleaning products to get into the brush. Just something to consider. I will be using a big bowl today, and I will show you step by step with what I do. Welcome to my kitchen. I will show y'all what I will be doing to clean my brushes. I did want to note that I put options here. It's optional to use Dawn dish soap or a dish soap of your preference, clarifying shampoo, apple cider vinegar, optional to use baking soda, and then also a toothbrush. What you really need though is a sink or a bowl, warm water, and something that strips the hairbrushes of their natural oils and all the buildup that you have. Keep in mind though that baking soda has a high pH, apple cider vinegar has a low pH. If you use those two together, they neutralize and you won't get the full effects of the cleaning properties that they should be doing. I recommend doing either or. First, I will go in and pour the warm water into a bowl and let these hairbrushes soak. And I think I'm going to use just baking soda to strip them of the oils, and you know how baking soda helps things neutralize the odors itself. I will just do that. Then I will go in with a toothbrush and use Dawn dish soap to help scrub my hairbrushes. If you're someone that likes measurements, I would just fill the bowl or the sink enough to where your hairbrushes will submerge, and then use 1 tablespoon of baking soda for that solution, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for that solution. I would use a quarter-sized amount of the shampoo and the dish soap. I'm not going to scrub yet. I'm gonna let this soak for 30 minutes and then come back, take a toothbrush and scrub my brushes with a toothbrush that I will not use to brush my teeth. I know some of that's product, but you can kind of see how it's becoming a little bit more murky. Now I'm gonna add Dawn dish soap to my toothbrush and then scrub, and then we're gonna pat dry. Be mindful that when you are scrubbing your hairbrush, the water splashes back at you, as you can see. So make sure you're in an area that you can wipe down easily. I like to do it on the top of my stove because that's easy to wipe down. But if you're getting it on your cabinets, you know, just be mindful. If you're in the bathroom, it's easy to wipe down, but it might get on your walls. See that nasty water? That's good. That's all that buildup and sebum that we're getting out. Hair oils. I'm surprised it's not dirtier, to be honest. Go me, go us. I'm gonna rinse these out and then put down a clean towel and have them rest for 24 hours so they fully dry. Yes, I know my kitchen is dirty. for today's video, y'all. It was just pretty quick. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you clean your hairbrushes on a regular basis now. It's definitely helped with my hair. I get pretty oily hair, but I also do not wash my hair every day, personally for me, but that's just from my hair care routine. Keep in mind, if you're not washing your hair every day, but you're using your hairbrush every day, those oils will get stuck in your hairbrush. It's just natural. Let me know if you wash your hairbrushes a different way or if you have any extra tips. I'd love to check them out and implement them as well. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe. If you don't, I just appreciate you being here, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!